Define polarization density and electrical susceptibility relation between them. Polarization density sigma P is equal to Qp divided by A. P is equal to dipole moment of dielectric divided by volume of dielectric is equal to QPD divided by AD is equal to QP divided by A is equal to sigma P. Electrical susceptibility, P is directly proportional to E vector. This implies that P is equal to epsilon naught chi E vector. Epsilon naught is equal to dimensionless. Chi is equal to P vector divided by epsilon naught E vector. Relation between K and chi. E vector is equal to E naught vector minus If E vector. This implies that E vector is equal to sigma P divided by epsilon naught minus P divided by epsilon naught. This implies that E vector is equal to E naught vector minus P divided by epsilon naught. This implies that E vector is equal to E naught vector minus epsilon naught chi E vector divided by epsilon naught, dividing both sides by E vector. E vector divided by E vector is equal to E naught vector divided by E vector minus epsilon naught chi E vector divided by epsilon naught E vector. This implies that 1 is equal to K minus chi